Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see how you can download Git for Windows. So this is not for the next. My computer is Windows 11. So you need to browse through git-sem.com/download/win. So click here to download, and this is for the 64-bit. My operating system is 64-bit. So I'm just clicking on this so that immediately the download gets started here. See here. See, this is 65 MB. I'll be back once it is downloaded and I'll try to show you how you can install this. Okay, it is almost getting finished here. Yeah, see here, this is finished. I just need to double click on this particular software right from here. As I double click on it, it has asked me something like to give the permission. So I gave the permission like yes. You need to click on yes. After that, you'll see this pop-up that Git setup. My current version is Git 2.4.0. Yeah, 470. Okay. And this is the installation path, which is under C, program files, and Git. That path is okay. If at all, if you want to change, you can change it. Okay. So if you want the desktop icon, you can check this option and click on the next. And yeah, okay, next. Let Git decide. Okay, this is the recommended. Okay. Yeah, all the options which are already decided by the Git software are fine with me. That's the reason I didn't made any changes with that. So I just clicked on next until I finish this finish setup. So yeah, it hardly takes less than 30 seconds, and the installation process is also yeah going good. And I'll be back once it is completely installed and I'll show you that how you can execute commands on the Git. Yeah, see here, just I clicked on finish the setup. After just I finished the setup, there is a desktop icon created. If it is asked to create the desktop icon, you need to check that, and this Git pop-up will be automatically shown up to you. You can start executing the Git commands here, and in the later videos I'll tell you how you can do Git lifecycle, so you can follow that. If probably I'll drop the links in the description of this video too.